So in the last short film I made, I mentioned the Cornell Note-Taking System. So that's Cornell, C-O-R-N-E-L-L, Note-Taking System. Invented by some smart guy called Walter in the 1950s at Cornell University. And how does this work then? So what you do when you're taking notes in class or notes anywhere, you divide your page into a sort of large right-hand section called notes. Don't worry, I'll put a diagram in the description when I'm done here. And a smaller left-hand part of the page entitled something like cues. And at the bottom, a summary area. So the cues could be like keywords or things that you can remember easily, sort of explaining or describing the topic that you've made notes on in your own words. So that's on the left, perhaps a third of the page. The other 2/3 on the right are the sort of more detailed notes, and the bottom, perhaps a quarter of the page, is a summary. So during the class or during the reading, whatever it is that you're taking notes about, you take the main notes. Don't try and write everything, but keep to keywords or key phrases, perhaps in the 2/3, the largest section of your page on the right-hand side. So in that larger notes section. And then after class, reduce those notes into main keywords or quotes or questions or prompts in the cues column. So that's on the left-hand third of the page. And then after class, recite. So recite means to cover the notes and use the cues to recall and explain the content that you've written about in highlighted ways. So maybe you embolden it, or maybe you use a highlighter pen or something like that. And then to get most benefit from this system, reflect. Ponder how the new information sort of connects to what you already know about this subject. And then review your notes on a regular, for example, each week basis, and test yourself just using the cues that you've created to get it firmly planted in your head. And then after class, of course, use the bottom quarter of your page to summarize a sort of concise summary of the entire page's content. So in summary, page division, split the page, 2/3 on the right, a third on the left. The left is the cues column, then the notes column on the right with a summary space at the bottom. Then record what you are listening to or reading in class. Reduce after class, recite, reflect, review, and then summarize. Good luck!